Everybody, welcome to Billy Suma Show with Wayesa. That young man you are looking at, his name is Ndala Desalegn. Ndala Desalegn was shot and killed by the machine gun over there in Hambo during the protest against Finfinne Master Plan, aka Addis Ababa Master Plan. He was killed, of course, by a Tigrinya-speaking military police in Hambo.